When you buy a Berkey system, it comes with a standard spigot. The stainless steel systems include a black BPA-free spigot, and the Berkey Light spigot is blue. Berkey Stainless Steel Spigot is a major upgrade for your stainless steel system, and the cost is quite low for what you get. It's heavy-duty 304 food-grade stainless steel, and it will make your system look incredible. Berkey's stainless steel spigot will fit with all the stainless steel systems and make the Berkey look more unified. The water release of the stainless steel spigot functions as a side-to-side lever instead of up and down. Many love the way this spigot works and complements their system. While small, the Berkey spigot is obviously a very important part of Berkey water filters. Make sure you clean and install it correctly before use. Once you've received your system, it's important to properly install the spigot so it will work correctly. First, carefully remove all plastic packaging and wash all the spigot parts in warm, soapy water. The parts included are one spigot, 2 washer covers, 2 silicone washers, and the hex nut. For readable instructions, click the link in the description below. Make sure that when you assemble the spigot, you tighten it by hand, but not too tight. If you tighten it too much, it could damage the spigot. Step 1 is to place 1 washer cover and 1 silicone washer on the threads of the spigot. Step 2 is to insert the spigot into the lower chamber hole of your Berkey. Step 3 is to attach the remaining silicone washer and washer cover. Step 4 is to screw on the nut. Now you're done, and it looks absolutely wonderful. If you have any questions about the Berkey Stainless Steel Spigot, please leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video, and as always, thank you for allowing me to serve you here at BerkeyCleanWater.com.